Hi everyone, Zach Pakoff here. Welcome back. Today's hot sauce review is going to be Yellowbird Serrano hot sauce. So as usual, I've got the sauce right here. And I've also got a club cracker that I'm going to put the sauce on. So we're going to give this bottle a good shaking. Then we're going to get the club cracker. And now we're going to put some of the sauce on the cracker. All right. There we go. Here's what the cracker looks like with the sauce on it. And here we go. Cheers. It's got a little bit of heat. Not too bad though. Really good flavor though. Okay, so for this sauce, I will give it a 2 for heat, and for flavor, I'll give it a 7. It was pretty good. All right. So that's going to wrap up my review for Yellowbird's Serrano hot sauce. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for new videos. And I'll see you next time. Peace out, everybody.